Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this, I'll show how to trim a video inside Instagram story. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Instagram app on your phone, and then you want to come down and click on the plus icon. And if you click over the story, and then click into your photos and videos, bottom left hand corner of your screen, if I choose this video for example, there's no current way to edit this video, so there's a workaround. So what you need to do is first come back here, click on the plus icon, and you want to make sure post is enabled. Choose that video. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose this first one here. Then I'm going to click on next, and then as you can see, you can edit the video on this section. So I'll click on edit video. To edit video, just simply click on the video, and it's 126 seconds long. So to make it a minute in length, I'll just trim it back to just under a minute, like so. And then click on the blue next button. Click on continue. And then from here, just write a caption and click share. So that's it for this video, guys. How to edit a video for Instagram story. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.